Today we have a good news for Google fans. Google just dropped some major news at their Made by Google event in New York City, officially launching the new Pixel 10 series. First up, they have introduced four new phones: the Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro, the Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold. But the real star of the show is what's inside these beautiful phones. These new phones are powered by Google's custom-built Tensor G5 chip. They are calling it their best upgrade ever, with the processor that's over 30% faster and a powerful AI engine to back it up. And that AI is smarter than ever thanks to the new chip. Features like Magic Q and Voice Translate now run directly on your phone, making them incredibly fast and smooth. Of course, it wouldn't be a Pixel without an amazing camera. The new phones feature a completely upgraded system with a new processor that makes videos look incredible, especially in low light. You can now get amazing shots with new features like Auto Best Take and a new ProRes zoom that goes all the way up to 100x. The Pixel 10 series includes content credentials, which gives you a clear history of how your photos were created and edited. On top of all that, you get a beautiful new 3000 nit display that's super bright, a powerful battery, and a lightning fast charging. The Pixel 10 series comes in some great new colors like indigo and lemongrass. So there you have it. The new Pixel 10 is here, packing some serious power and AI right into your pocket. Thank you. Stay tuned for more updates.